Elephant walks. What I'm gonna need you guys to do is find an elevated surface that gives you enough stretch in the hamstring, but not too much to the point where it feels like it's gonna overload it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend down, go palms on the ground, knees slightly bent, and from this position, all you're gonna do is alternate legs by pushing back and feeling that intense stretch into your hamstring. Return back to the start, alternate, and then back to the start. Complete for the prescribed number of sets and reps, you'll be good to go.